Hi, my name is Belinda and I'm the training lady. Today I want to address a change to the Microsoft Teams interface that happened back in the first half of 2025. Now, for many years, Teams had separate icons for the chats area and for the Teams area, and it showed up in this little left-hand panel. Now, Microsoft then rolled out the update that ended up combining our chats and our channels and Teams into one single area. Now, for some users, that was fantastic, but then for others, it did cause quite a bit of frustration. So the good news is that you can actually switch back to that original layout, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And I also want to show you a little extra setting that brings back all the labels for your icons as well. You'll see that my icons here don't have any labels with them. So it just helps with much easier navigation. Now, you might be wondering why Microsoft actually changed this. Look, I suspect the main goal was to streamline your communication, bringing everything into that one single area. But it's not ideal because when you do have a lot of chats happening and you are a member of a lot of teams, then that screen does tend to get quite busy and overcrowded. So being able to separate them back out again gives you that separation from the two, and it just gives you a little bit more leeway in terms of your workspace being a bit tidier. All right, so the first question is, how do we get the two separate spaces back? Now you can see I'm in my chats area here. I do have a list of some of my chats, and then I also have my teams down the bottom here as well. Now, if I want to separate them back out, it's part of the main settings in Teams. So let's just go up to the little ellipsis button up in the top right corner. Let's click that and we're going to go into settings. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control and then the comma. All right, that will open up the settings for you as well. Now, from this area, we're going to go to the left-hand side here. We are going to go into the area for chats and channels. And you'll see that the very first setting here that we have is how we want to view our chats, teams, and channels. And at the moment, it is set to combined view. I'm going to hit the separate option. And also note that as soon as you do that, your two icons will now separate back out and you now have a separate chat and a separate teams area in the sidebar. So no need to do anything else. That has now changed that over. So I can now click onto my chats area. I can see my chats are all in here. I can also click into my teams area. I can see all my teams are in there. So now I've got that separate view again. Now, the other change I mentioned was bringing back the labels on the icons. This again was just another update with Microsoft, but again, they've given us the ability to go back and be able to change it back to that original view if you prefer that. And I personally do prefer it. I like to see the names down there as well. So again, we're going to go into the settings area. So click on the ellipsis in the top right, go to settings. Now this time we want to go into the area for our appearance. All right, let's go into there and you'll see you have some settings in here to do with the app bar, which is that bar down the left side. I just want to enable the option to show the app names. So I'm going to switch that one on and straight away again, you'll see your labels will pop back up again. All right, so that's now changed your combined view back and separated it out, and then also added the labels back to your app icons there as well. Now, that's some really simple changes and a nice quick one for today. I hope that has helped to just customize some of those settings back to how you might have liked working with them before. The reality is that Teams does have a lot of settings that allow you to customize how it looks and how it works. I really highly recommend you go through and have a look at what settings you have in here. It is changing quite frequently. Microsoft are rolling out new additions and new customizations that we can make on a regular basis. So remember, if you found this very useful, hit that like button below. If you'd like to see more of my content, please by all means go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, have a great day, everyone.